6:15 in the morning from Queenstown. Got an early start today, heading towards Milford Sound. We have 4 or 5 hour ride till we get to Milford Sound, and then we'll see how I go from there. I got some good sleep last night. I don't know who my brother's talking to because I clearly cannot hear him. I'm gonna be here for the next 3 nights, and then we'll head our way back to Wanaka, and then up to Mount Cook and Lake Tekapo. Eventually we'll make our way up north. Interesting traffic lights. Do we go? Do we not go? And we're back in a jiffy. Wow, Queenstown's very pretty in the morning. Alright, off to Milford Sound we go. Nice early start. The view from Queenstown is amazing in the morning. Look at that, look at the mountain top. What a beautiful place. Sunrise is pretty early here in the South Island. And the sunset pretty late here too in South Island. Like about 9 o'clock, sun hasn't set yet, you still get sunlight. Another 2.5 hours ride to Tiana, and then we fill up. And then make our way towards Milford Sound. Okay, see you then. Ciao! How cool is that? This cow is running over the river. Wow. Can't do it. Yeah, from my point. Doesn't matter. Looks fine. Sun view.
to Milford Sound. What an amazing ride.